All right, how's it going, everybody? My name is Alvin Ivanowski, and I'll be doing the first part of the video presentation for the Legends sprint number one. So for our three games, we chose Blackjack for the card game, Connect 4 for the board game, and 2048 for the logic game. And so when we were thinking about what to do, we decided that along with the normal lineup of the games on the GUI, we'd add a user profile, store, settings, and a team info page. So there will be the main screen with the three games, and then those four other pages on the side as a little side thing. So our priorities, we decided we'd code the games first because it seems like the easiest thing to do is to just make the games first and then worry about connecting everything together. So starting from easiest to hardest, we'll go 2048, Connect 4, and then Blackjack, which, going from simplest to hardest, I think it makes sense like that. And then obviously we'll add them to the GUI game suite so you can actually access the games from the GUI. And then after that, after we have the base games coded, we're gonna do the thing with the user profile where we can implement personalized user data, like the amount of points they score in a game, number of games won, and we'll also, it's tied in with the store, but the points can be used to buy like different background colors for the homepage, different profile pictures or avatars for the user, things like that. And then we're going to code the store and settings after we have the user data thing implemented, clean everything up. And then the last thing we decided to do, or we're not sure if we're going to do it, but I have some experience with user login pages with like HTML and JavaScript. So I thought that if we're able to finish everything on time, get everything perfect, I could try implementing a login system for the app. So that's the final thing that we might do in the end. And here's our use case diagram. So for the main circles or the main ovals, we have exit app, which is just its own thing. And we have open the game, open player profile, open shop, open settings, and open team page. And most of these are just the same thing. It's opening different, like pressing buttons on the GUI. The game, from there, you can exit the game, you can play the game, or you can view the game rules. And then for Connect 4, we're going to implement a multiplayer option. So there'll be like two players playing on the keyboard at the same time. And from the shop, you can obviously purchase avatars or different backgrounds using the points that you get from winning. And then in the settings, we will be able to change the screen size or the like master volume for the app. And then team page info is just a team page. And then all of these different options, you can also return to the homepage from them. So that's how everything connects there. And here's a little drawing I did. This is how we plan the app to look, not a finished look, but just the basic structure will look like this. It doesn't exactly look like this now because we all are pretty rusty at JavaFX and we're still trying to figure that out. But now next will be Zakai, and he'll explain how he set up the JavaFX side.
This is a login page that we're not really sure if we want to keep it. In the login page, you will be able to enter your username and password and create a new account. If you click the login here, it will direct you to our main page, where at the top, you can see there are three games, and they are the games we're about to implement. Right now, they're just placeholders. If you click on one of them, you will be directed to the page where the actual game will be implemented, but right now, of course, they're just placeholders. There's also our team info, and to the right there is a series of buttons. The first one is our user info button. You will be able to access and make changes to your user information, like passwords. And the second one is a store button. In this, you will be able to buy items and use them in the games. And in the settings buttons, you will be able to make changes to our games, like making the window a borderless one. And the fifth one is our sign out button. You will be able to click it and sign out.